Hi, I'm going to show you how to insert a graph without leaving Word. So we're going to come up here to Insert, click that. We're going to insert a chart. The type of chart we want is a scatter plot. And then we click OK. And here's our plot. Here's where we're going to put our data. I'm going to move this up. I made up some data that we're going to use. We want the X value to be volume. And we want the Y value to be mass. So my masses are 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to copy them and we'll paste them right here. And my volumes are right here, and I just made up numbers. Copy, and we'll paste them here. And if we look back at our chart, our data is displayed now. If we click on one of the points, this will come up. You'll want to go to the green plus sign. We're going to want to add axis titles. And we're going to want to add a trend line. Click the little arrow next to it, more options. We want to display the equation on the chart, and we'll do the R squared value on the chart as well. We can come over here and click. This is the mass. Whoops. The mass. We want to give units in grams, and this is the volume in milliliters. This is the iron chart of mass versus volume. And you're done. This should be a straight line. If it's not a straight line, then you need to talk to me because your densities are messed up. The slope of the line is equal to the density. And that's how you do it. Good luck.